There's a YouTube channel out here, neighbors. Good morning. Good coffee. Roll one if you got it. Chemical Safety Board. U.S. Chemical Safety Board. USCSB is the name of the channel. And if you go take a look, it's boring as all get out to some folks, but I've watched a lot of their videos. They go over industrial accidents and go through what caused the accident and assess it, because these lessons are important, need to be learned. There is more than a few. Again, experience. Having been in the chemical industry, having stood next to reactors designed so the tops blow off of them. Steam pressure lines at 600 pounds. You can go do some temperature lookups and see what 600-pound steam's temperature is. A process hot enough to keep plastic as a gas, as a vapor. Process that had catalytic converters larger than cars in case of process upsets, and to burn off that plastic before it got in the atmosphere. The feedstock for this plant that made 1/3 of the nation's plastics, of the globe's plastics, excuse me. Don't want to mislead you how important this plant was in time and space a few decades ago. 1/3 of the world's plastics and the highest quality available, made car fenders and whatever else. It's a precursor plastic to other plastics, phthalic anhydride, but the source material it came from was orthoxylene. Very explosive mixture, potential rocket fuel for its energy content. But it can't be used as rocket fuel because its output is plastic. It will coat everything for whatever distance with plastic. So these USCSB lessons are really important to people that do this stuff. It's part of training courses. You might get these videos if you work in a plant, because they will set time aside for you to go through some of these things. These are the videos you might see as parts of a safety video to be able to enter a plant so you know the hazards that are there. This is old sciences. This is from before anyone watching was born, and we've only done more. So that's an interesting channel to see how a pressure vessel designs and falls apart. An interesting one was a silicon crystal growing vessel rupture. So I was aware of the process, but I wasn't aware how big the growing chambers are for ultra high purity crystals to make the cell phones you're probably watching this on. This is the world of big players. These men think they're safe. They think they're doing something nobody else can do, and they're special. They think if they take away themselves, that society around them will collapse. It's a God complex these people have got. You see it in our current politics. So vote anyway. Bernie. Burn it up. Burn it better. Or light one if you got it.